In this video, I'm going to show you how to send some Solana to your Ledger Nano X. So the first thing you want to do is install the Ledger Live app, and then once you have that installed, click on My Ledger. Go ahead and unlock your device. Once your device is unlocked, click Retry. So you can see I currently have the Bitcoin app and Ethereum app already installed. I want to install Solana, so go ahead and click on Install. Alright, so once the Solana app is installed in Ledger Live, click on Add Account. Then on your Ledger device, go ahead and open the app, the Solana app. It's going to synchronize. Alright, you can see it's synchronized. It by default gave it the name Solana 2. I already do have a Solana account attached to this Ledger Live. For this example, I'm creating a new one to show you how it works. It'll say Solana 1. You can rename it if you want to anything. I'll just leave it as Solana 2. And you can see there I already have one account. Again, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm creating a new one to show you how it works. Go ahead and click Add Account. Click Done. Alright, so this is the new account that we've created in Ledger Live for Solana. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. You can see there's no crypto in it yet, so I'm going to go ahead and click Receive. Make sure you have the right one selected. Again, I have multiple accounts in here, but I want to send it to this new Solana 2 account that I created, and I'm going to click Continue. Here's the address that we need to send the Solana from our Phantom wallet to, so I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And then on your Ledger device, it's going to ask you to verify that address. Go ahead and do that. Click Approve on your Ledger device. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Phantom wallet. You can see this is just my hot wallet, my hot Phantom wallet, right? So what I want to do is I'm going to click on Solana, and I'm going to send a test amount to that Ledger account I just created. So I'm going to click on Send, paste that address in that we copied from Ledger Live with the new Solana account we created, and I'm going to send a test amount. I'm just going to send 0.1 just to test it out. I recommend anytime you're sending crypto to Ledger or to any other wallet, just to send a small amount on the first one as a test to make sure it's working how you expect, and then scale up from there. Alright, I'm going to click on Next, review the transaction, and confirm, send. Okay, it's sending the Solana from Phantom to our Ledger account we just created. It says it was sent. You can open this and look at the transaction in SolScan. You can see that it's been confirmed. So now let's go back to the Ledger Live app on our desktop. Click Done. Close that. Okay, so back in Ledger Live on the home screen, I'm going to go down and click on Solana. You can see here's the account 2 that we just created, and it looks like the Solana has transferred in the 0.1. It took about a minute or so, maybe a little bit less than a minute. So if you don't see it in Ledger Live right away, give it a few seconds, but it will show up. So the next step is to go back to our Phantom wallet. Alright, so back in our Phantom wallet, we want to add that Ledger wallet connection. So click on the plus, and we want to connect our hardware wallet, right? So go ahead and connect it. It's going to ask you to connect your Ledger. Click Connect. It's going to search for it. As long as your Ledger is still plugged in, Nano X will pop up. Click Connect. Says it's been connected successfully. Click Continue. Select the chain to connect to, say Solana, and continue. It's going to go look for your accounts in Ledger Live, your Solana accounts. Alright, go ahead and click on Select Accounts. So if you're starting brand new, you're just going to see one option, right? You're going to see the 0.1 that we just sent. In this case, please don't get confused. It's a little confusing because I had multiple accounts in that Ledger Live for Solana set up already, but this is the one right here that we just created in this example. So I want to just connect this one to this Phantom wallet. Okay, so again, that's a little bit confusing. If you're starting brand new, it's gonna just show you the one that's in your Ledger Live, right? And you're just gonna select it and click Continue. So one account has been added. So now if we go back into Phantom, and if you click there, you can see we're back in just the hot wallet. And then if we click here, Ledger 3, you can rename it to whatever you want if you click on that, but that is now connected to Ledger Live, and specifically, let's go back to accounts. Again, we have two different Solana accounts. It's connected to this one that we set up in the example here. So that's how you send Solana from a Phantom wallet to Ledger Nano X. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.